In this video, I will show you how to buy Evmos on Trust Wallet. To begin buying Evmos on Trust Wallet, first locate and open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Upon opening the app, you will notice that Evmos isn't available for purchase directly within Trust Wallet. Next, open your browser and navigate to htx.com. Once there, click on the Register Now button to start the account creation process. Select your preferred account type and click Confirm. You can choose to register using either your email address or phone number. For this example, let us use the email address option. Enter your email address and click on Register and Bind. Complete the security puzzle by sliding to match the pieces. Check your email for the code sent by htx.com and enter it into the designated field. Tap Confirm to proceed. Create a password for your account and click on Begin your HTX journey to finalize the registration process. Now that your account is set up, search for Evmos within the htx.com platform. Select the trading pair, Evmos or USDT, to proceed with buying Evmos. Click on the Buy button and enter the desired amount of Evmos you wish to purchase. Review all the details, including the price and total amount, before tapping on Buy Evmos to confirm your purchase. Now you have successfully purchased Evmos on Trust Wallet using the htx.com platform. You can now manage your Evmos holdings within your Trust Wallet app. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.